Imagine a life where your money works for you, not against you, where the stress of high-interest payments fades away, where for 18 months, you don't pay a dime of interest on your purchases and balance transfers. 18 months of 0% interest. That's right, 0 interest for a full year and a half on both your purchases and balance transfers. No fees, no worries, just freedom. Now you can focus on what matters, not how to pay off your debt. Whether you're consolidating old balances or buying something you've been dreaming about, this is your chance to take control. And with Fulton Bank, you'll earn cash back along the way. Earn 5% cash back on the 2 categories you choose, like groceries, gas, or dining, on up to $2,000 in combined purchases each quarter. Plus, get 2% cash back on 1 everyday category of your choice, with unlimited cash back every quarter. With Fulton Bank, you're always earning 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases, no matter where life takes you. And for the entrepreneurs, we've got you covered too. Fulton Bank offers a business credit card with the same great benefits, including 18 months of 0% interest on purchases and balance transfers, plus cash back for your business expenses. Whether you're managing your personal finances or running your business, enjoy 18 months of 0% interest to manage your cash flow and earn cash back on every purchase, big or small. Apply for either a personal or business credit card today. It's simple. Just scan the QR code or text card OAR 971 to 96932 and have the application sent right to your phone. Life is about more than just bills. It's about the moments, the memories, and the freedom to live the life you deserve. With 18 months of 0% interest and cash back on the things that matter most, Fulton Bank is here to help you make the most of every moment, whether personal or business. Fulton Bank, a bank that's big and small in all the right ways. Limited time offer. Terms and conditions apply.
0% APR for 18 months on purchases and balance transfers. Late payments OT going over the credit limit may damage your credit history. By texting 96932 your request for information about this offer from your wireless number, you agree to receive a one-time automated text message with a link to apply. Message and data rate may apply. Subject to credit approval. The creditor and issuer of this card is Elon Financial Services, pursuant to a license from Visa USA Inc.